Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use MusicGPT. In order to do so, here we are at musicgpt.com, and we can get started straight away by creating a song. We can also create sounds. We can do speak text, change file. Let's see what happens here if we hit random. Okay, we've just got some random suggestions depending on what you want to play around with. But let's go ahead and let's try an instrumental. Let's go ahead and create a song. Let's go with a Spanish reggaeton track. Why not? And let's go ahead and click send here. We got to continue with Google, so let's go ahead and do that. Just log in really quick. Easy peasy, and with just a few clicks of the button. Oh, we got to go through this. So let me just go through this really quick. Okay, and after just answering a few questions, let's go ahead and launch. And we can see here now that in order to proceed, we are going to need to subscribe. Actually, no, it is generating our song over here. So we do have 500 free credits. So that's quite nice. So we can get started with 500 free credits. Single song, 100 credits, just so you know. And here we have the Pro subscription for $23.99. We've got the Plus for $13.99. And we've got the Ultra for $46.99. Let's go ahead and take a look at the progress of our track. Looks like it's going to be just a few moments here. So we'll go ahead and let that finish. And here we go. Took about a minute or so for that to finish up, but now we have Ritmo Caliente. Let's go ahead and take a listen here. Okay, so that gives you an idea of what the potential is with MusicGPT. Let's go ahead and download that. That is going to cost us 50 credits, but let's go ahead and do it. Let's go ahead and grab the second one as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to post this on our Discord channel. Okay, so here we have Ritmo Caliente on our Discord channel if you want to come and check those out. You can even download them too if you'd like, and we've also put a link here for MusicGPT, so if you're interested in checking GPT out, by all means do so. And please join our Discord channel. We are providing a variety of free services related to AI animation, some tools here to get you started. And we've also got a WAP course for $30, show you how to create your own AI music videos with some of the latest tools. We've got some services to offer. We've got AI animation mastery training and our Suno music mastery training as well. If you want somebody to take you by the hand and show you how you can create your own AI animated masterpieces and also your Suno music masterpieces as well, we would be happy to help you with that for $200. We'll take you through 4 hours of one-on-one intensive training, teach you how to create AI animation, teach you how to create Suno music masterpieces. And in general, if you have anything that you are creating as far as AI animation goes, you can come here, share your projects. We would love to see what it is that you're working on. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials. Again, love to have you on our Discord. Also, check out our promotions such as Sintra. Sintra AI is a fantastic tool that will really help you with your business strategy, whether you're a new business owner or an established business owner. Sintra gets to know you and your business with a variety of AI employees who will offer tailored responses, can help you negotiate deals, all sorts of great stuff. It is a fantastic tool. I love it. Also, check out Cider, another tool that I love to use, and that's why we're recommending it here. It's a extension that allows you to ask questions of some of the top AI chat models available so that you can compare answers and get the answers you're looking for. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.